are you all? Today we are going to see the English subject only. In the last class, what we learned, children? We learned the memory poem. Poem 3, Make Room for Elephants. Isn't it, children? That is memory poem. You have to learn the 10 lines. I'll ask for exam. You have to write and practice. Understood, children? Okay, today we are going to see the book exercise and the question answers. Okay, children? First, we'll see the add the suffixes. What are the suffixes which comes at the back? Okay, children, like y, er, able, en, or est to the words within the brackets. See, wonder means, see what we can write? Wonderful. That is called suffixes. Okay, children, that was a dash meal. That was a dash meal. Dash meal means wonderful. Wonder is given. So, answer what will come, children? Wonderful. What will come? Wonderful. See, in the heading, I forgot to type FUL. Okay, children? So, don't think, see, there FUL is not there, but Miss has given FUL. Okay, children? So, that was a wonderful meal. Second one, Shahin's mother is a famous dash. Paint means which will be correct for paint? Painter. We can't write paintable, painty. We can't write, isn't it? So, painter. Number 3, Dinesh is a very dash person. Like means like person means what will write? Likeable. Dinesh is a very likable person. Number 4, you can use mashed potato to dash the soup. Thick. Thick means what will come? Thicken. En you have to add. En you have to add. Thicken the soup. And the fifth one. Reena has bought a very dash scarf. Color means what will come? Colorful. Colorful scarf. Okay. Number sixth one. We spent a very dash day at the beach. Enjoyable. ABL you have to add. Enjoyable day at the beach. Number 7. Which is the dash planet to the sun? Close means what will come? Closest. EST you have to see. E is there. ST you have to add closest. Number 8. This yellow paint will dash up your bedroom. Bright means what will come? Brighten. Brighton. Okay, children. Number 9th one. The African elephant is the dash land animal. Large means what will come? Largest. Largest land animal. Number 10. It has been dash and dash all day. I'm sure it will rain tonight. Cloud and wind is there. So what you have to write? Cloudy, windy. It has been cloudy and windy. Understood, children? The words which we add at the back is called suffixes. Okay, children? We'll see the next one. Replace the underlined words with suitable nouns. Replace the underlined words with suitable pronouns. Pronouns means what will come? They, it, she, he, like that it will come. Okay, children? See, okay. Elephants are very large animals. Elephants take up a lot of room. See, the underlined word elephants is there. Elephant means you can write it, but elephants, yes is there, plurals is there. So what you have to write, children? For that one, you have to write they. What you have to write? They. See, I will send you in the WhatsApp also. So in book, what you have to write? You have to write they above the elephants. You have to write they above the elephants. Okay, children? Second one, Nina and Rita are cousins. So here Nina and Rita are in the same class. Nina and Rita means both of them are there, isn't it? So you can't write she. You can't write she. So what you have to write? They. Nina and Rita are cousins. They are in the same class. Okay, children? Okay. The third one. The princess is very kind. The princess is very honest too. See the princess. Princess means always it mentions the girl. So we have to write she. The princess is very kind. She is very honest too. Okay, children. We'll see the fourth one. Father has bought tickets for Anna and me. Anna and me. So, father will take Anna and me to the concert. Okay, children. So, father Father always we have to write, it's a male, isn't it? He. So father has bought tickets for Anna and me. What? He. Father, instead of father, you have to write he will take Anna and me means what? Us. You should not write they because me is there, isn't it? So you have to write us. So these are pronouns, okay, children, to the concept. Number fifth one, Mrs. Dutt is my teacher. Mrs. Dutt teaches me English. English is my favorite subject. Mrs. Dutt is my teacher. She is a female. So what you have to write? She. She teaches me English, and English will what is the name of thing only? So it. It is my favorite subject. Okay, children. And the sixth one, Bobby and me too. Bobby and me too are sisters. Arjun is their brother. Arjun is the youngest. So Bobby and me too are sisters. Arjun is their brother. Arjun always it mentions the male. So he is the youngest. Okay, children, you have to strike it out and write above the underlined word. Okay, I'll send you in WhatsApp. Okay, we'll see the next one. Pick the correct pronouns given within the brackets. You have to correct the, okay, you have to tick the correct pronouns. Leela. Leela is happy. Leela is always a female. So what you have to write? She or he, children. You have to she or her. You have to write. You have to write she. She has done her well in her exams. Number two, Imran came home early because Dash was tired. Dash was tired means him will come. No. What will come? Imran is a boy. So you have to write he was tired. Number three, Mukul and Madhu said that Dash are busy today. Mukul and Madhu said that Dash are busy today. They will come or them will come, children. They. What will come? They. Okay, children. Number four. Today is my mother's birthday. Mother's birthday. Dash are going out to celebrate. So today mother's birthday. So what will come? We are going out to celebrate. Us are going will not come. Okay, children. Number fifth one. If you need some help, all Dash have to do is ask. Yours or you will come. Yours will not come. If you need some help, all you have to do is ask. You have to ask. Yours have to do is ask will not come. Okay, children? Then the children are playing outside. Please take this tray of drinks to Dash. What will come, children? They will come or them will come? Them. The children are playing outside. Please take this tray of drinks to them. Okay. Okay, children. See, from this one, what you have to do, children? You have to copy down in the notebook. You have to copy down in the notebook. Which A, B, C I have taught, that one you have to copy down in the book. And from the D, you have to copy down in the notebook. You have to write poem 3, Room for Elephants. And then you have to write this new words. The first new words is what? Crowded. Second one is space. Third one is world. Number fourth one is board. Number fifth one, Lord. Number sixth one, garage. Number seventh one, wonder. Number eighth one, stay. Number ninth one, difference. Number 10th one, gladly. Okay, children. So you also read at home. Practice to read. If you are not reading, you will feel very hard to learn the lessons. Okay. We'll see the synonyms. Okay. Synonyms last week itself I wrote in the board, isn't it? All have written 2 times. Those who have written, very good children. I appreciate them, but many of them did not send. I'm so sorry for them. See, they are not having interest to learn, so only they are not sending me. See, synonyms. Board means what? Meals. Board means here what it will come? Meals. And garage means what? The place we keep tools. The place we keep tools. And the third one, gladly, happily. Gladly, happily. And antonyms. Kind means what, children? Cruel. Kind, cruel. Far, near. Strong, weak. Share, for share you can write hold or you can write keep. If you write anything also, anyone you will put mark. Difference, similarity. Difference, similarity. And the past tense. No means what, children? See here, K-N-O-W is there. No. But for past tense, what you have to write? New. K and E will come. There O is there. While writing for past tense, what you have to write? E. So, no, new. Bring, brought. Bring, brought. B-R-I-N-G, bring. Brought spelling B-R-O-U-G-H-T. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. And the third one, say. Say means what, children? Past tense? Said. S-A-I-D, said. S-A-I-D, said. Okay. Now answer the following. See, here in this poem lesson, it's very easy only. But in the lesson 3 only, it's very hard. I made the children to read, but they were feeling very hard to read. Children, have the habit of reading. Understood, children? Whatever, you can read the newspaper, anything what you get, you can read. If you read means it will be very easy for you, children. Okay? Okay, now we'll see the question answers. What kind of a place is our world? What kind of a place is our world? Our world is a crowded place. Our world is a crowded place. Crowded spelling, children. C-R-O-W-D-E-D. Crowded. Our world is a crowded place. Why do elephants take up space? Why do elephants take up space? Elephants take up space because they are huge. Elephants take up space because they are huge. Huge spelling what, children? H-U-G-E, huge. Huge spelling what? H-U-G-E, huge. Okay. We'll see the third one. What is the child willing to do to make a difference in the crowded world? What is the child willing to do to make a difference in this crowded world? The child is willing to share her or his. Share or his. Okay, the child is willing to share her or his house with the elephants in order to make a difference in this crowded place, crowded world. Okay, children. Fourth one, what will the child's father not mind? Why? What will the child's father not mind? Why? The child's father won't mind if the baby elephant brings its mother too. The child's father won't mind if the baby elephant brings its mother too, because the child's father is kind to elephants. We learned last class itself, isn't it, children? Father is very kind to animals. The child's father won't mind if the baby elephant brings its mother too, because the child father is kind to elephants. Okay, we'll go to the fifth question. I wonder what a mom would say. Does the child think his mother would be happy or angry? I wonder what a mom would say. Does the child think her or his mother would be happy or angry? So what's the answer? The child thinks that her or his mother would be angry because if the baby elephant's father came to stay, it would not leave any space in the house. It would not leave any space in the house. Once again, I'll read. The child thinks that her or his mother would be angry because if the baby elephant's father came to stay, it would not leave any space in the house. Okay, children. I think only 5 questions is there. I have given only 5 question answers. Children, be thorough in all the question answers. Okay, children. See, once again, I'm going to read the memory poem. Children, you listen carefully so that you can learn properly and you can write for the exam. Understood, children? Make room for elephants. Make room for elephants. I know the world's a crowded place. I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference,